Okay, here is a Ruud Achiever unit at a house that we are currently touring at right now. As you can tell, it's obviously not running. Ruud Achiever 10-seer air conditioner. It is from April of 1999, and it is a 3-ton, 37,000 BTU. Just barely over a 3-ton. Compressors in there. I'd assume it has a Copeland Stroll compressor. It has a GE fan motor. Pretty nice unit. I'm gonna see if I can check out the furnace too. There's a line set, and yeah. Anyways, I'll go see if I can get a shot of the furnace. Okay, here's the furnace. It is a carrier furnace. I think it's a carrier comfort furnace. This was installed by Shell, I think that's how you say it, Heating, Cooling, Plumbing. And don't know where the data sheet on it is. Here's the water heater. It's a Ruud. This was manufactured in 2018. And then there's a Lasco 3733 box fan. Nice furnace. I'd assume it's been running in heat mode. And then it also has a whole house humidifier. April Air 600 series. Nice system. Anyways, thanks for watching.